Sadly, that right there has made Grant Harlan's year even worse than it already was. After the fire of his garage burning most of his race bikes and everything else, now you have this. Racing over in the MX of Nations in France. You can see in the slow-mo right here, kind of in the top, he lands on somebody else's bike, and from there, you're a passenger. Down the hill he went, injured, and it sucks because this wasn't even race day. This was like qualifying day. But, racing is a very dangerous sport, and it's always going to be. And he said, quote, from the hospital, saying, landed on another's bike and flew straight to my back. Pelvis is fractured, but still wanting to figure out what the next move is. Nothing to do. It sucks because, being in a different country, you have no idea what's going to go on, how long you're going to be there. And he has posted a couple times since, with the last one being my favorite, saying, quote, just walked to the bathroom. Nurses were very angry, but they wouldn't take me, so I took myself. You got to do what you got to do, and hopefully he heals up quickly and he'll be back racing soon. But go to his socials, wish him good luck, wish him to heal fast, whatever you want to do. And while you're here, I guess, comment who you think's going to win this weekend of the MX of Nations. And while you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.